just be. Don't take it.
What's up guys, Miss P here, back with another video. This look came out very Valentine's Day-ish. Wasn't my intention, but we'll go with it. But if you want to know how I got this look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, what's up, I hope you all are doing well. I went ahead and did my brows off camera, so first as usual I'm going in with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 5, and I'm tapping that all over the lid.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
And then I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush to buff in at the edges with my base. That way I have a smooth application all the way across. This will also help with blending all of these shadows I'm going to apply and making it easier to apply my foundation later on, since the base won't be showing underneath the foundation since I already buffed it into the skin. Okay, so first I'm going to set down the foundation for all the other shades to follow in shape. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 3 palette, and I'm following the shape of my crease. And I'm just going to flick it out, the shape out towards the end of my brow to get that winged look. I'm next going to go in with the red shade from the same palette, and I'm just going to apply it above the first shade, following the same shape that I did previously. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back and forth between that dark plum color and the red shade, building up the intensity that I want and making sure that there are no harsh lines / edges until I'm happy with the result.
Meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be.
So I decided after I blended those two shades together that I wanted to add some more depth to the crease. So I went in with a black shade. This one's from the James Charles palette by Morphe. I just used a really small detailed blending brush to really push this black into the crease. Alright, so now to cut the crease, I'm using the P. Louise blank canvas paint and a flat small brush that's also from P. Louise, and I just cut my crease following that same shape that I created with the shadows.
Trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time.
Okay, so once I cut the crease, I went and applied a slightly shimmery purpley shade from that Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, and I just put that on the outer part of my crease. Okay, so next I applied a pinky shade right next to that first shade. I used the color Fling from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette Remastered, and I just kind of blended those two shades together. Next, going in with the same palette, I took Pink Diamond and I just applied this to the inner corner of my eye, and then I went in with some liner as well, and I kind of did pretty much a dramatic wing.
And live my life off screen, taking time out to be and live my life.
And then of course applying the finishing touches to the eyes, going in with a coat of mascara before I apply my lashes.
I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Time out to be and live my life off screen.
Okay, so I already prepped and primed my face, so I'm going straight in with foundation. I'm using the Beauty Bakerie Aqua Glass Foundation, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face with my fingers, and then I'm going to blend it out using my Morphe blending sponge.
Time out to be and live my life. Taking just be. Don't.
Alright, once the foundation is all blended out, I'm going in with concealer. I'm using the Born This Way concealer, and I'm just going to apply this in all the areas that I want to highlight. So for me, that's underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and above my upper lip as well. And then I'm just going to blend that all out, of course, with the same Morphe blending sponge.
Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking.
Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder, and I'm just going to set all the areas that I highlighted and also set underneath where I contour. And then for contour, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Mocha bronzing powder. Hold up, that shit dirty as fuck. Bam! There we go, Fenty Beauty.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life at a IG. If you got my number, don't.
Next, I'm going to set my entire face using the Beauty Bakerie setting powder in the shade Almond.
At me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
And then for highlight, I'm using one of the NARS highlighters. This is in the shade Albatross.
I'm on hiatus.
Okay, so to finish off the eyes, I went and took a black kohl eye pencil and just applied that to my waterline. And then I went in with the shade Black Truffle from the Huda Beauty palette to smoke that out a little bit. Alright, to outline the lips, I use a NYX Suede matte lip liner in the shade Moonwalk, and I just outlined my lips with this shade. And then for lipstick, I went in with the Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Fuego. We'll just go with that's how you pronounce that, but Fuego, that's what we're gonna go with. And then I just set my entire face. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.